If you like to solve puzzles and you're detail-oriented, you could build digital products that make a real difference in people's lives. Here's where you start. With ed2go, you'll have everything you need to successfully advance your career without disrupting your life. Whether you're already a developer looking to diversify your knowledge base, or you're just entering the world of programming, Python is the place for you to start. And you'll do it all online, at your own pace, with a facilitator who will provide one-on-one interaction. This is the course to get you coding quickly. Python is a great programming language for beginners. It's simple, flexible, and you can use it anywhere to build websites, program smart devices, and create web apps. Python developers not only have one of the most stable careers, they also earn some of the highest salaries in the industry. Whether you have a full-time job, you're at home with kids, or you're looking to get back to work, you can enroll at any time. So start your new career as a Python programmer today with ed2go as your guide.